Okay, today we'll be studying the ending ing. Ing. Are you ready? All right, let's put a letter in front of it. Tap and stretch. Ring. Tap and stretch again. Ring. Say it fast. Ring. Yeah, like a ring you wear on your finger. All right, let's change that letter. Tap and stretch. King. Tap and stretch. King. Say it fast. King. King, as in the king of some province or country. Okay, let's try this W. Tap and stretch. Wing. Good. Tap and stretch. Wing. Say it fast. Wing. Yeah, there are wings on birds. Okay, let's do it with this Z. Let's tap and stretch. Zing. Tap and stretch. Zing. Say it fast. Zing. Zing. You could use that word for a lot of different things. All right, let's use a blend over here. Ready? Bring. Tap and stretch. Bring. Say it fast. Bring. Could you bring me more letter tiles, please? Let's tap and stretch this blend. Swing. Tap and stretch it again. Swing. Good. I love to swing at the park. All right, here's a digraph. So it makes one sound. Ready? Tap and stretch. Thing. Tap and stretch. Thing. Say it fast. Thing. That was fast, wasn't it? All right, now let's do 3-letter blends here to finish this off because you're doing so great. Are you ready? We're going to tap and stretch. Spring. Tap and stretch again. Spring. Say it fast. Spring. Spring. All the leaves come back on the trees in spring. Okay, let's try one more. String. Tap and stretch. String. Say it fast. String. Yeah, I have a long string on my yo-yo. Good job practicing the ending ing.